this is the Python part of the data analysis courses. This will not be a standard introduction to Python course. It will be the introduction to Python for data analysis, which means that we will learn how to use Python as a tool for performing different types of analysis. So why did we choose Python? Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language, and it is widely used for data analysis because of several reasons. First of all, it is very comfortable to work with. It's easily readable, it is efficient, and there are different editing environments created for different types of tasks. We will cover some of them in this course. It is also a great tool for data manipulation. As the name suggests, data analysis has a lot to do with data. So we need something that can manipulate data well and effectively carry out repetitive tasks. It provides different packages and libraries for free that can save us hours, days, and in some cases months of work to get the job done. We will go through the most commonly used ones of them in data analysis in this course. Python has a huge community worldwide. Whenever you get stuck at any kind of problem related to Python, there are a lot of well-trained, professional, helpful people online who will help you to find the approach to solve it. And number 4 is probably the most motivating one. It is the most widely used programming language in data analysis, and if you look at the job opportunities, you'll notice that there is a heavy demand on Python. There are other reasons for it as well, but I think you already got the point. So, what will I teach you in this course? We will start by basic coding in Python, and then we will gradually expand our skills by learning parts of Python which are heavily used in data analysis. This list might look a little intimidating on the first sight, but we will go through everything, use examples, and make them easier to comprehend. We will do practice projects to unify the knowledge and the skills that we gain in this course. So let's just jump right into it and install Python and the editing environment. Let's go through the installation process. The first thing I want us to do is open google.com and search for PyCharm. Open the link that says jetbrains.com PyCharm. Click download. Now, you could download the professional version, but we don't really need that, so we will download free community version. Choose the folder and click Save. This should take just a couple of minutes to download. I will fast forward it a little bit. Now, after the download is complete, move your mouse cursor at the bottom left corner of the screen and click the downloaded executable file. A small window should pop up, and it will also take just a little time. Click Next in this window. Then choose folder in which to install PyCharm by clicking Browse. Here you can find and select the folder you want to save it in, then click OK. But I want it in the default folder, so I'll just click Cancel, then click Next. I want to create the desktop shortcut, so I'll select it. I'll also update path variable. This allows me to run Python code from Windows terminal. I will also select these two, but you can leave them without selecting. Then click Next. Here let's just leave the default folder and click Install. The installation should be completed shortly, and we will be able to work in PyCharm community version to write Python code. After the installation completes, this kind of window should pop up. Just select I want to manually reboot later and click Finish. Now let's open PyCharm by the desktop shortcut that we created. And select Do Not Import Settings and click OK. This will open PyCharm. Click New Project. And if you have Python installed on your device, just ignore this message. But if you don't, by clicking Create, you will download and install Python on your device. So Whether you have installed it or not, just click Create. And now we're downloading and installing Python on our devices. Now you may or may not get a message for allowing access. If this happens, just click Allow. And in a minute or two, you should have Python installed on your device. And bingo, we finally have our setup ready. There's a bunch of code here that I'm gonna get rid of. You don't have to worry about it because we are gonna write our own Python code. So next, we are gonna start coding in Python.